Traders, hey, how's everyone going? So, all right, MGTI. I like to trade after 5 to 10, even after 10 minutes of the market open, just to see things establish themselves. Now, we've actually had quite a little bit of volume on our MGTI already, obviously, pardon me, heavily related to Bitcoin mining. So, with Bitcoin where it's at right now, I did actually discuss a dip buy on this, and what I'm watching is now is whether it's going to fail or whether it's a short. So we'll see. I mean, just looking at the bid and ask, it was pretty strong on the ask, but it's sort of, you know what? I actually had a sell trade in at 366. It was 1,000 shares, but we might sort of have to. Well, this is it. This is, it's gone down 20% or more. I would call, that's a significant sell-off, and it's moves pretty quickly as well. This one is usually, a little bit stable. It sort of looks like a bounce, really. What's it currently trading at? I want to go 370, but I want to get filled. We'll see. See, if I hit submit, then I wait, but I just want to see what it does here. What's the volume up? Right here it's just indecision, and the volume there is not too bad. I don't know what your thoughts are. Do you want the order in, or do you sort of save it? I mean, it's ready to go, but I just want to see a little bit more of a bullish move here. I mean, it going sideways is fine as well. I'll try and make this video semi-short. I've got to get up at 4 AM tomorrow as well for work. So, pardon the background noise, my kitty. He's making a little bit of noise. Apologies. I don't really want to take my eyes off this, really. This one isn't as prone to madness. The other day was out of the ordering a little bit, and I played that pretty badly. So, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking sell, but typically you want to be counterintuitive to your gut feelings, especially as a beginning, novice trader. So we'll see. I mean, it's really, it's forming a base here. I might go 370. Let's see what it does. I mean, it's a pretty big position for my account. But normally you want to see not as much volume on the sell-off, and it just sort of the bounce and it goes. It's really not doing too much. ABWN mixed bag here, pretty low volume, not interesting. Tops, this was doing something. What was going on here? There was some SEC filings made. Form 6K. We'll see on this. Pretty good volume, but I didn't really get a chance to look into this either, so I'm a little bit hesitant to play this when there's when I haven't done my proper research. So I'm probably going to avoid this. I believe I will. MGTI. Oh, okay. Right here. That's a little sniff of something. Potentially. I'm sort of tempted to win it and just sort of see what happens. See how there's like that minor hesitation. What about a 75 and just see what happens. Come on, man. Too greedy. Keeps moving. 85. 85. Get the fill at 85, man. It did. Alright, I'm filled now. Plan of attack. Plan of attack. This is good because it captures me. I haven't really done a lot of trades, so we'll get that ready. And then what was the fill at? 85. All right, so we'll see. Volume's good. This is good because I can get some criticisms on, what I'm doing wrong. So overwhelmingly, I want to sort of close this out, but still okay. In the bid and ask, hard rate's a little elevated. Sigh. What up, $4? What I risked, so I got in at 9.85. Low of that candle is 89. Sorry guys, I got a little weak there. That's probably a 1R, really, because 140. Look, what was the rationale behind that? Look, I'm still that immature and raw that I know clean numbers have resistance, and $4, it's still a bit of a mixed bag. I saw some heavy. Look, I mean, see what I mean? Like, look at the heavy asks there. Anyway, I'm gonna that's in real time, guys. That was $140 made. It wasn't a small position. It was 1,000 shares at 1,000 shares at 385. I closed at $4. I was talking about the dip buy as well in the watch list. I'm doing the Instagram stuff as well because you naturally think to yourself, okay, everyone's selling because Bitcoin's down, but this company is not diabolical. They did a bad financing, but I think they resolved that. Again, pardon me on the fundamentals. I'm not too skilled, but I held there. That was a lot longer than I normally held for. Like, let's see that. Let's see that there. So that's better. That ends the week semi-green. I was just, I saw the 4, tested the 4 a few times. I've got things going off. I've got a new subscriber as well, Mr. Singh. Thank you for the subscription, brother. I appreciate that, man. We'll see. This could keep going, but I held a little bit longer. And I'm getting, that's 15 cents a share at 4. Got in at 385 at 1,000 shares. I want to sort of keep watching this just to sort of, maybe something like that would have been, but that's not even strong. But then my concern was, it's just going to collapse back to the entry. So at least I get something, which I sort of anticipated. I wasn't really strictly reading the price action now. I was sort of looking at the bid and the ask. There's some, well, I mean, there's bigger orders with the sell there. So anyway, guys, I'm going to conclude that video. That's the trade as well. So I discussed MGTI on the watch list that I put up around more than an hour ago, probably like 2 hours ago. But that's it, guys. And am I a scared trader? You probably heard the change in voice. I try to keep calm. That was good that I had the video there to document. That's it. I mean, really, I was a bit slow though on the execution. You saw that, and I tried to get in at I can't recall if it was like 370 or so, maybe 375. And I kept missing, and that's where I sort of have to be a little more aggressive, and that could have been, 30 cents a share there. So, because I like to hold when it does this, when it's just, I can deal with that. And then 30 cents, that would have been 280, so, around that. But anyway, guys, now it's turning again. So, can you live off 140 each day? Well, if you do that 5 times a week, I could. But that's a little weak. That for me, but it sort of makes up for the Wednesday trade. But I felt that was a little bit better. I'm slowly getting it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to conclude the video. Thank you again for watching and your support as well. Please feel free to message me either on Profitly where I put this video up on YouTube, on Twitter. Trade Talk is something I share with my Forex trading pal Connor. Connor's good man. He's also from Australia as well. So that's what the Trade Talk is. But that has more followers, so I will put videos up on there as well. So if you message there, we will get back to you on that as well. I'll get back to you on that as well. Okay. Anyway, guys. Oh, and Chad's trading as well. Bye, guys. Have a good night.